Make money online fast, quick and easiest way to make money on Clickbank. So if you know about Clickbank, you heard about it before, or you probably haven't made any money yet, I'm going to show you how to use this method because this is what the super affiliates do. And this is what people who are crushing it on Clickbank right now. So I'm going to show you how to set everything up. I'm trying to keep this video under 15 minutes. It could be less, but I'm going to go as fast as possible. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, my name is Andre. I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing. So if you're looking for tons of videos on how to make money online, please feel free to check out, like, subscribe, become a part of the family, and let me know in the comments where you're watching this from so I can create a brand new video for you so you can go out there and you can crush it. So yes, I'm going to show you how to make money online fast, quick and easiest way to make money on Clickbank. Now, if you haven't had a Clickbank account, I highly recommend you go and sign up for it. It is absolutely free. And this, what I'm going to show you, can get you started and can make you money right after this video. So people who take action immediately after this video can start making money. So if you don't know what Clickbank is, they have a lot of different products and they have a lot of different products. There's huge companies or other affiliates who creates products and services and they bring it on Clickbank. So Clickbank is like a network. So as you can see here over on the left-hand side, there's arts, there's, as you've seen on TV, betting, there's business, investing, computer, internet, cooking, e-business, and the list goes on. So I'm gonna make this video so that way, as soon as you're done, you can apply what I teach you, and I'm gonna share with you the evergreen niche and why you can go out there and you could crush it because it's the new year, it's 2020. You're probably watching this video in 2021, but people are looking for ways how to make money. And the first thing they're going to do, they're going to search the internet. They're going to try to find ways how they can make some money. So that's why I'm sharing this video with you. So first thing first, we're going to find a product. After we find a product, I'm going to show you how to set everything up. So for this particular video, we're going to go and I like the e-business and e-marketing because people are always looking for it. People want to start a blog because copywriting, people want to learn about e-commerce operation, email marketing, market research, marketing niche, paid surveys, so many different things, right? So we're going to find something that is, number one, trending and what already selling. So if you look over here in the affiliate marketing section, I'm just going to click on that. Affiliate marketing is always of what they call like the make money online niche. Right here, there's Clickbank University, 70K plus students. This so far, as you can look at the gravity score, over 60 sold this week. Initial sale you can make is $153 just from one sale. So you make one pop, boom, you're in the bag. Right over here, this is 12-minute affiliate. This right now is hot. It's been hot. This thing is going off on fire. Like people are signing up for this left and right. And the initial sale you're gonna get off this is $13. So the initial first sale, 13. There's upsell as well. So you can make more money with upsells, but you can make some money from that. Right over here, there's like 1K day fast tracked. This right here sold over 27 this week. And of course, this product down here is sold 32 times this week. So you can click on the popularity, or you can always go from the gravity score. So you can go from gravity score. You always want to find something that is already selling, right? So even though some of these products don't have high conversion right now, that doesn't mean that they won't sell more products later on. You got to remember that. Like, people are selling these things over and over again. So even this with 60, it depends on the angle, what you're going to create, and you can get started right away. Now, for this particular video, I think I'm going to go with this product right here, because this right now is what's crushing the game. Like, people are selling these, and you can see that people already, making money from this just by here. So the first thing that we do, as always, and I always tell people, you always want to look at the offer. Always look at the offer, see what it looks like, watch the video, enter your name, enter your email, check it out, and see what it looks like. Most people just want to promote something, they don't even take the time out to really go through the video and see what it's like. So you can promote this and you can make some money here and there, right? Now, after you do that, right? After you look at it, you investigate, you're like, all right, there's something that's going to be good. Now, the next thing we want to do, we want to create what we called a capture page. But if you click on this, on the word promote, let's say we're going to generate the hop link. If you just generate the hop link, you'll only get, hang on one second. This is what it's going to look like. So they're just going to issue this to you. Now you could send traffic to this, not a problem. You could send traffic directly to this link that I just pulled up just now. So if you click on here, right, and I hit enter, it's just going to take you here. So it's already collecting the name and the email. So most people, and what most people like affiliates who are brand new, who have no idea, that's the first thing they will do. They'll go directly and they will just send traffic directly here without collecting the email. Now, if you want to scale your business, you want to collect emails. Collecting emails is something that's good. Now, I'm not saying that you have to, but it's just a good way where you can get your kickbacks and you can get some upsells from that in the email. So if you click on the affiliate page, they'll give you a bunch of different stuff. They give you all these things. They give you tracking. They tell you what the EPC is, like earnings per click. You can put your name in here and they will send you a bunch of emails. They will send you email swipes. They will send you templates. They will give you promotional stuff that you can use. So it's an ongoing thing that you can create over and over again, and they will just send it to you in your email. So once you do that and you gather all the information, I'm not going to sign up for that, but you could do that right away and they will just send you all the information. Once you create it, then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to create a funnel. Now there's multiple different platforms that you can use. There's ClickFunnels, there's Online Sales Pro, there's Builderall. In this particular video, right, you can go with Online Sales Pro. Now, this is what Online Sales Pro is. You can come and check it out. If you look at the pricing right here, there's like $47 a month. ClickFunnels is $97 a month, so you save $50. And of course, there's other software builders out there that you can use. So you can start with just $47 a month, get full access, do your thing, and you could start making money. You can also promote this as well if you want to promote it, but that's not what it's for. I'm going to show you how to create your funnel. Now, I'm going to show you how to build a funnel pretty quick, simple, and easy. So you want to come over here once you create your account. You can click on this and you can go to where it says email templates. You can go to BizOp templates, email templates. Let's go with BizOp templates. You can just get a one-page collect email. You could do that as well, right? If you don't want to collect any emails, you can go to where you see where it says like the sales page, right? So if you click on BizOps, these are my pages. These are team pages. These are autoresponders, right? So you can click on, where is it? Normally you would see like the sales page with a summary. Okay, quick sales page, there it is. So quick sales page, there's videos, you know, one set videos that you can click on and you could just go to the next page. And when you pay $97, you can also get some more things that is very accessible to you. So come over here and we're gonna create a BizOp page. So we wanna collect the email, right? So it's just an email we're gonna collect, right? And we're just gonna create this real quick. So already it says bank it easy, $730 per month, passive income. You can look on here and you can even do this. All right. In fact, if you can order pizza because you want to be congruent. So I would just copy this, right? I would copy this I'll go back to my online sales pro and I'll just paste that in there. All right, so you want to keep it congruent. Right? Fact, if you can order a pizza, you can make money with this system. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Without any experience or technical skills. So you could change this to get access, right? Now this is where you're gonna put the link of what you create. So you can put your link in here. Oops, let me just clear that out. So you get your affiliate link, head on over to right here, copy your affiliate link, and then you're gonna paste it in here. And when you paste it in here, I can put Clickbank just to create the page. You can see what it looks like, right? Pretty simple, right? Nice and clean, you know, the background and everything. You can edit it if you want. You can change this. You could change the access button. You could change the background. You can add an image if you want. Add some image in it if you want to do that as well, right? So you can throw some image, like I could put that image, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. If I want to do that, I can put a picture, see? So it's pretty cool. So this is a very good system, easily set up. It's like $47 a month. I'm going to leave a link in the description if you guys want to check that out too. Feel free to gain access through the affiliate link that I'm going to post inside of the description. So once you do that, right, you want to do that. The next thing you want to do, you want to sign up for an autoresponder, such as like Aweber. So if you want to do this for a long-term business, sign up for this, right? Once you sign up for it, and then you can just click on here where it says down here, advanced settings, autoresponder name, pretty easy. You can put your autoresponder name in there. So you won't put Aweber, but the list name of what you're going to collect the name and collect the emails for. So you could do that. You create it. Once you create that and you get your affiliate link, so I'm just going to save this just for the sake of this video. Of course, I make it nice and clean, right? I spend more time on it, but you get the idea of what I'm doing, all right? So it's all about creativity, and I'm looking for the page that I've just created, and it's somewhere, it's always at the bottom. There it is. So it's right here. So what I would do, I would copy this link. I'll copy this link and I would test it. So I'll go over here, test it, see what it looks like. I'll put my email address in here just to see if it's gonna work. All right, look at that. Boom, right? Look at that. So it goes directly. So I want to collect the email because even though you can just send them directly to this link, I'd rather collect the email. Collecting the email is always good. So once I collect my emails, I can always consistently email these people. And this is, you know, you can start your trial. So you can click on the trial and you could just fill out the information, what country you're from, right? You can just put in your country, put in the information. There's like the first month is free, so you get 30 days free autoresponder. Then after that, it's going to be like $19 a monthly. So you could do that, or you could do quarterly and just save money, or you could do annually and you could save money. So whichever way is best for you, you could just do that. All right. So after you create your link and everything, the next thing we want to go over is Udemy. So Udemy, and once you go over here, you can buy solo ads from people. So you can find vendors, click on here. And how you look at the vendors, this is the price, and it shows you their ratings all over here. So you could see, so if it's 54 cents per click, what that means is in order for you to get 100 visitors, you have to pay $54, right? So for 100 visitors, you pay $54. There's some other ones as well. There's like 40 cents. There's, you know, so you could come through here and you could find whatever your budget is at, because you're starting a business. All right, once you start doing this and you start making money, then you can put more money. And building a list with solo ads is good. People always say, well, I just buy lists. Here's the thing. You got to warm these people up. these are people that are looking for, they are looking for people right now to buy products. So if you can fulfill that, you're good to go. So just collect the emails over and over again, and you can just email. Like this guy has over 500,000 active users on his email list, right? These people are looking for hungry buyers. So when you collect the emails, you can also email these people as well. So let's say we're gonna work with him, right? Because he has a YouTube channel as well. And let's say we want to start with 100 visitors. So he's selling his for 54, the base, right? You want to put the link here, the link that we just created, put the link only, right? I need custom landing page create. You don't need that because you can create your own. See how much these guys charge? $195 just for one page. So you can build multiple pages using online sales pros. I said I'm going to leave a link down below. I'm also going to leave a link down below in Udemy as well. So you can sign up and you can get your traffic right away and start making money. So this right here, as you can see, it's like $57. Now, you can go for top tier if you want to go for top tier. If you go for top tier meaning only like US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and the UK. So of course, it's going to be a little bit more because that is like high quality traffic. It's more expensive. So that's why I bumped up a little bit. So let's say you're going to go with that. You go with add to cart, right? And once you add to cart, all you have to do is just pay with your PayPal or you pay with your card. So 67 bucks for 100 visitors, boom, you could send it. And then after you do that, then all you got to wait and you just start getting leads and sales inside of your business, right? So that's how you do it. That's what most people are doing right now because sometimes people don't really know how to set up Facebook ads and all that type of stuff. So this is a great way how to get your feet off the ground, get your feet wet, see what it's like before you jump into start, doing Facebook ads and stuff. But if you're interested in Facebook ads and all that, I got a video on here that you can check out on my YouTube channel. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family. I hope this video helps. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hey, what are you waiting for? So that was make money online fast, quick, and the easiest way to make money on Clickbank. Just to do a quick little setup and start making money right after this video. So check out the link in the description and get started right away. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.